it's 4 p.m., just about sunset, and I am going downtown to Sculpture Park for the Seattle Art Museum's light installation, which I'm lucky enough to see today. I never have the evenings off, so let's go see something pretty. I'm at South Lake Union Park, right across from where I work, and you can see the Argosy Christmas ship lit up in the background. And it's just about sundown here, around 5 o'clock, and I'm gonna walk down to Sculpture Park, and hopefully there will be more pretty lights along the way. Look what I found at Denny Park. Oh, I'm so excited. The LED lights in this tree looks like there's snow falling. I love that effect. This scene is just amazing. We've got the Space Needle, the Denny Triangle Elephant, and these amazing Christmas lights. Oh, so pretty! There it is, our elephant. So I'm getting a little hungry and it's happy hour time, so I'm gonna try out Black Bottle. We're gonna see how it is. Really busy in there, but really good. Definitely if you're coming with more than 2 people, make a reservation, because when I went in, she immediately asked, do you have a reservation? We have no spare tables tonight. Had a delicious cocktail and the food was good. And it looks like all the food trucks and everything are at the beginning. It's a free event, and I'm going to walk through Sculpture Park and look at all of the light installations. So many things to do, like this big light up bouncy all over the place. They have them everywhere and they're all different colors. It's so pretty. You tonight.
been told 1 to 10, but I got your back though.
I got that.
Maybe tell me more. I got a 10 for, and I hear someone knocking on the door. Hey, you, help me rise the stairs, help me set the snares, and we can start together.
Cool.
Home alone with you tonight. Home alone with you tonight. Home alone with you
Like a reverse. Wow, so crowded here. So many people here to see Sam Light's installation, which was amazing.